Have you ever sat in a barber's chair excited for a fresh new look, only to leave wondering, where the did it all go wrong? Well, in today's video, I'm revealing the barber secrets behind ensuring you as a client always leave the barbershop with the haircut that you want.
You come to my barbershop and you don't come on time, I'm gonna fucking light you up.
What's going on, guys? Master Barber J here, and today I'm letting you in on the secret sauce to perfect that barber haircut experience. It all boils down to one crucial step, and a lot of you at home are messing this up, and that is the consultation process. I've been doing this for over 24 years, and I can safely say in my experience, many haircuts veer off course within the first 5 minutes. Why, you ask? Well, to be honest, we're both partly to blame. It's not just about you telling me what haircut you want. It's about a two-way conversation where I have to do my job as your barber to truly understand your haircut needs. So now I'm going to go through my 5-step consultation process so you can get a clear understanding of exactly what you should look out for next time you're in the barber's chair. First, you should always receive a genuine greeting. This isn't just about pleasantries, it sets the tone for your service so that I can build trust and rapport moving forward with your service. Next, before that cape even touches your neck, a good barber should always take a moment for a visual composition. It's my job as your barber to see beyond your hair, to understand your style, your mood, and even your day-to-day life, which is the most important aspect, so I can give you the best style and advice to fit your lifestyle needs. Building trust between us is also crucial. I'm about to invade a personal space that you are not used to having invaded, especially by a stranger. It's the little things that count. So here, I'm going to make sure that I'm engaging with eye contact, asking open-ended questions, and I will always seek permission before diving into the cut to make sure that me and you are on the same page. Now, with trust established, it's time for my professional advice. Here is where I offer tailored guidance that aligns with your preferences that we have discussed based on the information that I've captured during our consultation. That way I can ensure the end result is truly what you're looking for. And finally, before my scissors come into play, I'm always going to end up with a final confirmation, a final check to ensure that both you and I are on the same page and you fully understand what haircut I will create during your service. Please remember, a haircut is more than just a change in length or style. With me, it's an experience, a transformation, and it should be with your barber too. The key to unlocking that perfect barber experience and not getting it wrong like 90% of clients do out there is just an effective consultation. I hope you found this video insightful and valuable today. If you did, do me a little favor, hit that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insider barber tips and tricks. For example, if you want to know a secret hack on how to get free haircuts from me or your barber at home, then watch this next video to find out how. But be quick before everyone finds out.
Light you up.